Hey, Sam. Sorry to interrupt. I'm still trying to figure out where everything is. Can I ask for some directions?
Of course, Alex. No worries. Where do you need to go?
I'm supposed to pick up a voltage tester from the maintenance room. Any idea where that is?
Sure thing. You're close. Head past the conveyor belt, walk through the forklift zone, stay on the yellow pedestrian line, and take a left. The maintenance room is the second door on your right. It is a blue sign above the door.
Got it. And it's okay to walk through the forklift area?
Yep, as long as you stay in the marked lanes and keep your high-vis vest on. Forklift drivers are usually alert, but it's best to make eye contact before crossing their path.
Makes sense. I've got my safety gear on. By the way, after that, I need to head over to the quality control area for inspection training. Do you know the best route?
Sure. From the maintenance room, keep walking down that hallway, take the stairs up one level, and the QC area is to your right. It's next to the inventory office and overlooks the assembly line.
Perfect. And QC area is also where they inspect the circuit boards, right?
Exactly. That's where we check for any visual defects, soldering issues, missing components, and so on.
Great. Also, I was told to familiarize myself with Workstation 3. Where's that located?
That's near the welding station. From QC, go back downstairs, walk past the tool cabinet, and it'll be directly across from the wiring assembly zone.
Welding station. Got it. Is there any special gear I need near that area?
Yep. You'll need safety goggles and a flame-resistant lab coat. It's standard in the welding zone.
Thanks. I'll make sure to suit up properly. One more, where's the break room?
Everyone asks that one. Head back toward the main entrance, take a right at the emergency exit sign, and you'll see the break room next to the locker area.
Awesome. And speaking of lockers, do we have assigned ones?
Yeah. Check with the floor supervisor. He assigns them based on department.
Understood. I also saw a sign for the SMT room. What's that area?
Surface mount technology. Automated machines there handle tiny components. Only certified operators are allowed inside.
Okay, I'll steer clear. Do we ever get a map of the whole facility?
There's a printed one on every notice board. Also, check your company app, it has a digital map with a search function.
Thanks, Sam. This is all super helpful. By the way, if I need help with a machine or get stuck mid-task, who do I ask?
First, try to troubleshoot using your SOP guide. If that doesn't help, ask your team lead. If it's urgent, flag down the maintenance team or me.
Got it. And if I see a safety hazard?
Report it immediately to your supervisor and fill out a hazard report form. Also, tag the area using one of the yellow warning cones.
Noted. I'm trying to be extra careful around the loading dock. I saw some heavy movement there earlier.
Smart move. That area is one of the busiest. Always wear your steel toe boots and never use your phone around moving pallets or forklifts.
Understood. I was also told to get familiar with the outgoing goods section. Is that near the packaging area?
Yes. The packaging area feeds directly into the outgoing goods zone. From Workstation 3, walk past the labeling machine, and it's on your left.
Is there any restriction in that area?
Only for logistics staff. But if you're shadowing someone, make sure to wear your badge visibly.
Cool. Thanks again for your patience, Sam.
Anytime, Alex. Keep asking questions, it shows you care about doing things right.
By the way, where's the chemical storage room? I need to avoid it.
It's clearly marked with red hazard signs. It's behind the assembly line, down the restricted hallway. Only trained personnel allowed.
Thanks for the warning. What about the clean room?
Yes, clean room access is limited. You need to wear a full body suit, gloves, and a hairnet. It's mostly for microchip assembly.
Okay, sounds high security.
Exactly. Oh, and one last tip, if you ever get lost, use the intercom or ask any team lead. We all remember what it's like being new.
Appreciate it. I feel a lot more confident already.
You'll be navigating this place with your eyes closed in no time.
Let's hope not literally, especially near the welding zone.
Good point. Alright, see you around, Alex.
Thanks, Sam. I'll catch you later.